We'll guide you through how to create a Gmail group email, making it easy to send messages to multiple people at once. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is where you'll manage your Gmail contacts. On the left side, you'll see a menu. Find the option that says Labels and click on it. This is where you'll create your group. Click on the Create Label button and give your new label a name that represents your group. For example, you can name it Family or Team. Once you've named your label, click Save to create it. With your label created, you need to add contacts to it. Go to the Contacts tab on the left menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved contacts. To add someone to your new group, hover over their name, and you'll see a checkbox appear next to it. Check the box for each contact you want to add to your group. After selecting the contacts, click on the Manage Labels icon at the top of the page, which looks like a label tag. From the drop-down menu, choose the label you just created. This will add all the selected contacts to your group. Now, you're ready to send an email to your group. Open Gmail and click on Compose to start a new email. In the To field, type the name of the label you created. Gmail will auto-suggest your group label as you type. Click on it, and all the contacts in your group will be added to the email. Now, you can type your message and click Send to reach everyone in your group at once. It's a convenient way to communicate with multiple people without entering each email address manually. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.